Today, me and my buddy are going to attempt to beat the world record for Jinjin in inner tube. Okay, you do this, I do that. We were off to a great start. At this point, we looked like a Formula One team. There's no brakes, this is OP.
Honestly. Alright, dude. Hold on. Pump. We're trying to run one hard. Where's the pump?
Do you not have a tire lever?
What?
Do you not have a tire lever?
No.
Fudge. No.
Oh, got it. Alright, you got it.
Oh, it's already been patched.
Yeah.
Pump it up a tiny bit. Oh, it's moving.
That's good.
Okay.
Good. Oh.
Now that I got the tire off, all I needed to do was get the new inner tube, put it on, then tighten the bolts, put the chain on, and we're done. Get the chain there. At this point, I got extremely clumsy. I was fidgeting around with the chain. Unfortunately, BMX chains are extremely short, and so I was slacking a little bit. We were doing really well. It looked like we had a little bit of hope for the record. Hey guys, Future Steven. I know it was looking really good and we had it almost done in under 4 minutes, but the pump to fill the tire broke, and so this took a while, and so I had to speed this part up. I don't know if that's fair because it's a speed run. Let me know in the comments, because a pump breaking really isn't our problem. We eventually did get it fixed though, but it did end up putting 2 minutes on our clock. At this point, we did get the pump working, and it looked like we had hope again. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this speed run. Next time we'll be less clumsy and bring an electric pump. Thanks for watching.